Welcome to Northwest Culinary Institute, where our immersive approach can make you a chef in just 9 months. Our small class sizes offer an exclusive approach to theory, practice, and real-world implementation. The kitchen is our classroom, where you will master advanced culinary techniques in cooking, baking, presentation, and managing a professional kitchen. Our industry veteran instructors bring a wealth of knowledge in the basic brigade system, flow of food, plating, knife skills, and teamwork. Focus on the characteristics that make a great chef and explore the world of savory and sweet like never before. Our program will prepare you for a new career at a 5-star restaurant, resort, cruise line, bakery, food truck, or even at your very own private catering company.
I was the first one they brought on board, and I wrote most of the curriculum for it. I wanted it to be unlike other culinary schools. In fact, the school I went to and some of the other structures I've seen, they're very linear. So you've got an instructor for soups and stocks, and you've got an instructor for bake shop, etc. And here, I wanted to make it more of an apprenticeship.
At NCI, you will learn how banquet and dining rooms function behind the scenes and how to forecast needs for various events. The world of food is massive, and you won't be limited at NCI. We'll expose you to cuisine from around the globe, touching on dishes from a rich diversity of cultures. Our industrial kitchen and teaching center are located in the beautiful Portland metro area, with connections across the region and beyond. Our program also offers student housing and transportation to and from campus as well as around the city. Financial aid is also available for qualifying students. During and after your courses, our Career Services Department is ready and excited to work with you on finding your next position after graduation. Our vast network and talented advisors will help catapult you into the job of your dreams so you can hit the ground sprinting.
When we were doing a project and we're cooking for an event, it's the real deal. This is the school I wanted to go to.
What are you waiting for? Turn up the heat and get cooking with Northwest Culinary Institute today. Visit www.northwestculinary.com to learn more.